If you're planning a trip and want to control your accommodation budget, Google Maps allows you to filter hotel searches by price so you can quickly find options that match your spending range. To begin, open Google Maps in your browser and search for hotels or type in a specific destination followed by the word hotels, such as hotels in Manila. This will bring up hotel listings directly within Google Maps. Once the results load, click on the Hotels tab if it appears in the search panel. This switches the view into a dedicated hotel search mode where listings are shown on both a map and a side panel. Scroll through the left side panel where hotel results are displayed. Here, you will find a variety of filtering tools designed to help you refine your search. Look for the Price Filter section. This usually appears as a price range slider or selectable price categories depending on the region and available data. You can adjust the price slider to narrow down your search. For example, you can set it to show budget hotels, mid-range accommodations, or luxury stays depending on your preference. As you adjust the filter, the map updates automatically. Hotel pins will appear or disappear based on your selected price range, helping you instantly visualize affordable options in your chosen area. Clicking on any hotel pin will open detailed information, including nightly rates, availability, ratings, photos, and sometimes booking links from partner services. You can continue refining your search by combining the price filter with other options such as ratings, guest reviews, or location proximity to landmarks. This makes it easier to compare multiple hotels at once without needing to open separate booking websites. Once you find a suitable option, you can proceed to view more details or check booking availability directly through the listing. And that's how you filter hotel searches by price in Google Maps. Search for hotels, open the filter panel, adjust the price range, and compare options that fit your travel budget.